the goal now is to explain how function arguments work in Python. So on the left here, I have a function that is defined with 2 positional arguments and then some extra special arguments here that are preceded with a star and a double star. So let me first explain a little bit. Python always expects a list of arguments followed by a dictionary of keyword arguments. And in this case, the list is not of fixed length. So I can't say position 1, position 2, position 3, and that's it, and then the keyword arguments. So instead, I say position 1, position 2, and then star args for the remaining arguments, the remaining positional arguments as a list. And then I say star star KW args, so keyword arguments, for all the keyword arguments given as a dictionary. So let's see what happens if I execute this code here on the right. So here I've defined function of position 1, position 2, star args, star star KW args, and then essentially I reprint all of this. And now I call f function, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, opt1 and opt2. And I see that the arguments are 1, 2, and then some positional arguments given as a list, or actually I was mistaken, it's a tuple, and then some keyword arguments that are given here as a dictionary. So if I type now function 1 and then some keyword arguments 56, that won't work because function is expecting at least 2 positional parameters. But I can call function with 2 positional parameters and then 1 keyword argument if I want, so something like this. Or I can call function with, I don't know, a bazillion positional arguments, that's fine, and no keyword parameters, that's completely fine, and so on. So what's up with the double star argument? Well, the double star unpacks a dictionary into keywords. So this function 1, 2, star star a dictionary is exactly the same as function 1, 2, opt equals 1, for instance. Right? So you see that the output is exactly the same, and the result of the star star is to unpack this into opt equal 1. So don't be mistaken, you can't do star star a dictionary within the body of a function to do a bunch of assignment. That's not how it works. So let's look at one final example here where we pass the arguments 1, 2, and then a bunch of positional arguments 3, 4, 5, and then some optional parameters and some more optional parameters. And so you can see here what Python understands from that.